Good day everyone. Our topic for today is basic integration formulas. Integral formulae. Integrals. Number 1. The integral of du equals u plus c. Number 2. The integral a du equals the integral of du. Number 3. The integral times du plus dv equals the integral du plus the integral dv. 4. The integral u to n du equals u to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, n is not equal to negative 1. 5. The integral du over u equals ln the absolute of u plus c. 6. The integral e to u du is eu plus c. 7. The integral e to u du is a to u over ln a plus c. 8. The integral of cosine u du equals sine u plus c. 9. The integral sine u du equals negative cosine u plus c. 10. The integral tangent u du equals ln the absolute of secant u plus c. 11. The integral cotangent u du equals ln the absolute of sine u plus c. 12. The integral secant squared u du equals tangent u plus c. 13. The integral cosecant squared u du equals negative cotangent u plus c. 14. The integral secant u tangent u du equals secant u plus c. 15. The integral cosecant u cotangent u du equals negative cosecant u plus c. 16. The integral du over square root of 1 minus u squared equals sine to negative 1 plus c. Differentials. 1. 1. Du equals du over dx dx. 2. D times au equals a du. 3. D times u plus v equals du plus dv. 4. D times u to n equals n u to n minus 1 du. 5. D times ln u equals du over u. 6. D times eu e to u equals e to u du. 7. D times a to u equals a to u ln a du. 8. D times sine u equals cosine u du. 9. D times cosine u equals negative sine u du. 10. D times ln the absolute of secant u equals tangent u. 11. D times ln the absolute of sine u equals cotangent u. 12. D times tangent u equals secant squared u du. 13. D times cotangent u equals negative cosecant squared u du. 14. D times secant u equals secant u tangent u du. 15. D cosecant u equals negative cosecant u cotangent u du. 14. D times sine to negative 1 u equals du over square root of 1 minus u squared. 17. D times tangent to negative 1 u equals du over 1 plus u squared. 18. D times secant negative 1 u equals du over the absolute of u equals the absolute of u square root of u squared minus 1. Examples. Evaluate. 1. The integral of 16x over 8x squared plus 2 dx. So here's the solution. the integral 16x over 8x squared plus 2 dx. So the integral of 16x times 1 over 8x squared plus 2 dx. So u 8x squared plus 2 du over dx equals 16x. So the integral of 1 over 8x squared plus 2 times 16x dx equals the integral 1 over u times du equals the integral of du over u equals ln the absolute of u plus c. So the answer is ln the absolute of 8x squared plus 2 plus c. Number 2 example. The absolute of x sine x dx. In this part, the integration by parts formula, the integral u dv equals uv minus the integral v du. So here's the solution. U equals x. So du equals dx, dv equals sine x dx, v equals negative cosine x. So the integral of x sine x dx equals uv minus the integral v du. So x times negative cosine x minus the integral of negative cosine x dx equals negative x cosine x plus the integral cosine x dx equals, the answer is negative x cosine x plus sine x plus c. So here's the following activities. Evaluate. Number 1, the integral of 6x squared of 3x squared plus 5 dx. Number 2, the integral of x cubed plus 2x to negative 2 plus x to negative 5 dx. 3, the integral of ex second squared e to x dx. 4, the integral of dx over 2x minus 7 squared. 5, the integral of x squared sine x dx. The integral of v du. That's all. Thank you.